This is a quick video showing you how to move files around in Google Drive. You need to be able to do this to move your recorded lessons into that remote lessons folder where we're collecting all of the class lessons that you're recording. So to do that, you need to be in Google Drive. And actually, the first thing you might want to do is find that remote lessons folder. It's in the staff handbook, but if you type in remote lessons, it actually shows up. And it's in the handbook under section R called Remote Learning Tools and Remote Lessons. Everybody has their own folder here. And then when you find yours, you can go ahead and actually, if you right click on it and click on Add to Starred, then it will be much easier to find later, because you have on the left menu here, you have something called starred here, and anything that you add to the starred as a starred folder or file shows up there. So I just put my tutorials folder under starred, so now it's really easy to find there. Your remote lessons, if you're using Google Meet, they're in a folder called Meet Recordings. If you have like Screencastify lessons, like your pre-recorded ones, under Screencastify, they are under a folder called Screencastify. And so I'm going to go to the Google Meet recordings and then move some of those. So let's say I need to move these over to the folder with the remote lessons, where all those go. I can click and drag and highlight more than one, or I can hold down Control and choose the ones I want to move. I want to move all of these, so I'm going to choose all of those, and then I'll just right click somewhere on top and then click on Move To. Now, to move them somewhere else, I need to find the folder, and instead of digging through all those folders to find it, I'm just going to back all the way out to Drive, and then I have my starred folder here. So I'm going to click on the arrow next to starred, and remember I starred that tutorials folder. So I'm going to go here and my tutorials here. There's some of them so far, and I'm going to click move here, and now they're all moved over. That's it. That's how you move files from one folder to the other in Google Drive.